When one tugs at a single thing in nature, he finds it attached to the rest of the world. Waste not a single thing created, for grains of sand make mountains, and atoms infinity. The more clearly we can focus our attention on the wonders and realities of the universe about us, the less taste we shall have for destruction. We say we love flowers, yet we pluck them. We say we love trees, yet we cut them down. And people still wonder why some are afraid when told they are loved. Man is a complex being. He makes deserts bloom and lakes die. All I want is to stand in a field and to smell green, to taste air, to feel the earth want me without all this concrete hating me. I would feel more optimistic about a bright future for man if he spent less time proving that he can outwit nature and more time tasting her sweetness and respecting her seniority. The sun, the moon, and the stars would have disappeared long ago had they happened to be within the reach of predatory human hands. We share the earth not only with our fellow human beings, but with all the other creatures. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has.